Alright, now you can see my face. I just gotta repeat it just so my brain can process it. Over 5 trays of tomatoes, different varieties, for absolutely free. Whoa! What is up, YouTube? My name is Jason with Jason's Gardens, and welcome to my garden. Alright, it has been about 3 weeks since the last upload, and I was getting ready to put together the full video for part 7 of building a garden during quarantine, and then something bizarre, crazy happened. So I want you guys to enjoy this video. We're gonna hit the rewind button for about 4 days ago, and I just wanted to make sure you guys knew what's going on, so I'll be narrating a little bit and just telling you what's going on in certain scenes, just so you guys can fully grasp what's about to happen. Alright, stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the end of the card. Peace. Excuse me.
This is sure hard work.
What is up, guys? I'm coming with the vlog view because we are going to get some more plants, because we have, like you've already heard me say, so many empty spots due to us harvesting the mustard greens and realizing, you know, how the kale and all the leafy greens can't fit in there. We're going to a gardening store where we're going to pick up some more plants to fill up the garden because there's so much space. So that's where we're going, and let's get into it. Since we're in here, I just gotta show you this big tree. Look how big it is. It's a giant big tree. Alright, but right now we are here just to pick up a few extra. Oh shoot, those are dead. Alright, so because a lot of them are starting to die off, I'm trying to work out a deal to see how many of these tomato plants I can save, because like a lot of them are like shriveled up and like sort of dying, so I'm trying to, yeah, like look, the good ones, some that can that aren't too far off the edge per se, and just pop. Yeah, but we still do need to fill some spaces. So
2 hours later,
guys, I went a little crazy. they just said $5 would take 4 trays, so I just had to. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry, Mom. Okay, I know my mask is on, but I know you can feel how excited I am right now. Alright, now you can see my face. I just gotta repeat it just so my brain can process it. Over 5 trays of tomatoes, different varieties, for absolutely free. What? That's crazy! Mom doesn't understand my excitement, but like, all I paid for was $20, and that was for these container tomatoes right here. I paid $20 for 3 of them, and this and all this stuff in the back was absolutely free. If we did not come, like, I know if we didn't come exactly at this time, or like, what was I say? Exactly at this time, or right before they ended, that may have never happened. I may have just got my 1 tray for $17 and just been outie. But because I just talked about how the tomatoes looked a little dead, and I didn't want them. I wanted to take care of them. I got the offer of a lifetime. This only happens once or twice, hopefully 3 times. But I'm just in shock. I'm sorry. I'm just in shock. And
the name of the shop?
Oh yes, and because of this, I will. Well, we're gonna get that sponsorship soon after getting all them tomatoes. Make sure you go check them out. They did such a great thing for me. I'm just very happy that we got here at this time. So make sure you go check out. Let me just get a better view of it, just I gotta double back because of how excited I am. It's Town Lawn and Garden. Go check them out. They're great. All right, so we are back home. I'm about to show Dad, because I purposely didn't tell Nana or anybody about what happened besides because Mom, who already knew. So I'm about to go show Dad what just happened, alright? Oh, oops, that door's locked. Dad, come on. So, before you walk around that corner.
Okay, before I walk around the corner.
Alright, so. Then I was like, okay. And then she came back and was like, yeah, $5. Yeah. And I was like, what if I wanted to get 2 trays? And then she came out like this. She said, hey, alright, if you want to get 1 tray, you can get 1 tray for free, but you have to get 4 new other trays as well with that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she said if you want to get one, you can get 1 tray for free, but you have to get 4 more trays of tomatoes as well. And
whoa. Wow.
yeah,
That's big.
and then I just bought 3 of these, $20. Of it, everything else was free.
Except poop is free.
Because we got basically the whole store worth of tomatoes, I just wanted to go over a few varieties before the video's over and just show you what type of varieties we got here. Only take a second, but like, I'm still in awe from this whole situation. Like, for example, like we got some supersonic. As you see, these are supersonic tomatoes. As you see, they're damaged, of course, but it's not like they're like dead. That's what the cool thing about them is. It's like they're not dead. It's just that since they haven't been up potted, they just started to die off. But once they get into the ground, and I'm just gonna put some stuff around them to make sure pests don't attack them, because they're definitely gonna be some pest targets. But I know that once I get them in the ground, let them get their roots established in the deep soil, then they're gonna thrive, and they're just gonna get back their nice cool foliage, and then they get their nice great foliage. All right, this right here will probably be a better example of what we got right now. That plant back there is what this is, San Marzona, and it's bigger of course. We got 3 of these for $20, and then of course, like I said, everything else was free. But this is how the tomatoes look. And they already got a fresh, pretty good set of them right now, which is pretty cool. But yeah, besides that. Oh, back so soon, I see. Well, guys, isn't that just a crazy episode? Just the way everything worked out. And the fact that we just came out with over 50 different tomatoes. 50 different tomatoes, and they're crossed between a few varieties I see. We have Cherokee Purple, Supersonic, I've seen a little ants on here. I definitely gotta get these in the ground, which is gonna be part 7 of building a garden during quarantine, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, we got 4 main varieties, and then we got different varieties that I've never even heard of. So I can't wait for next episode. I hope you can't wait either. Make sure you like and subscribe. There's so many big things that have happened in the garden since the last upload. So make sure you're following the Instagram, because you may have already seen a few of them if you were following. Because do yourself a favor. But in all, I want you guys to have a great day and just live life. Get outside. Try some gardening. You still have time to do gardening right now. I'm still, of course, planting these tomatoes, but how informal of me. Have a great day. Much love. Peace. I'm out here. I'll see you guys in part 7. Can't wait. Oh. Bye-bye. Oh, was I supposed to spin or something like that? Oh, my bad. Sorry. You're welcome, one person. You're welcome. You're very welcome. What'd you say, Haven?
This is short work. This is sure hard work.